said I have warranty too.
And then to take it off the caliper, you need to take this hard line here. You have to be very careful because this thing gets seized here. You have to use penetrating fluid or use a torch to heat it up and expand it, and then it breaks loose. So this line doesn't break.
Orange, you cannot miss it.
One eternity later.
Yes, I know I'm supposed to use a flare nut. I don't have one.
Oh, yes, I did. It broke loose.
So on old cars like this, it's best if you do it slowly, back and forth, so it don't give you any problems later on. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
What bolts?
Those bolts, Fuji.
With the...
If you want to take it off, you just swing open here. Oh, Jesus Christ. It squirted me. So this is on the bad part. Oh. You put a towel and you clamp it. Supposedly it should help. So I'm gonna try to do that. Yay, it did it.
I put this back here. This is a new boot. Stick the new boot. Squeeze it in there.
I'm gonna lube it. I screwed it in too much. You put this first, and then the bolts. Tight. Now you can put this ball on it. Now you can let this go. Now you swing this open. Now you take off the brake pads.
Put this foot back. How did I tell you?
It's supposed to be anti-seize here, but I don't have anti-seize. I left it home. Grease helps. Don't be stingy with the lubrication. It's always a good thing. Now you put this joint back. But this is how you change a front caliper on a Motorsport.